you for coming, and I'll be here to answer any questions. But I'd like to finish up on an issue that we didn't really get to talk about, and I hope that it's near and dear to everybody in this room and everybody in the Hill Country, and that's the Green New Deal scams and the battery storage that's happening in our community. Thank you. I've been fighting against this since day one, since in Comfort, they actually had the nerve to come into our commissioner's court and ask for an abatement. That's the only way we found out that they were trying to get into our county. It's happening because of these darn subsidies. You know, they messed with the free market, and when you mess with the free market, this is what you get. And yes, the subsidies for wind and solar are being phased out. They are, but you know what isn't? Battery storage. Guess what I'm going to do when I get to Washington? Top priority. Pass a bill, or include it in another bill. You know how they hide stuff in other bills. We are going to get a bill passed that phases out battery storage subsidies. I'd like to do it immediately, but I'm going to get it done. Okay? That's the first thing. Thank you. Also, we are going to start getting some tax incentives to natural gas and to nuclear, so that we can get the market back to an equilibrium where it's a free market again, and stop these green deals with people from having an opportunity to screw us over. Because the thing that's got to figure out here is that with the batteries, this is going to continue. Why are the batteries all of a sudden? Why more and more batteries? Their subsidies are being phased out, but guess what the battery storage has figured out? We can store all this energy, and then we can sell it at peak times to make up for our loss in subsidies. That's what they're doing. It's going to continue. They have depressed the price of kilowatt energy so low that it makes no sense for natural gas and nuclear to come in, and it all needs to be changed. So I'm happy I got a chance to spend my last 3 minutes on something. We all talk about these national issues, but we are representing here as well, not just the whole United States. So we better go to Washington and listen to you all in this room. Thank you very much.